Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, doesn't matter what time is it for you. The most important thing is like you are here and welcome to this series of rushing on my way to work. I wanted to do this video a little bit early today, to be honest, but I've been so entertaining talking about all my goals and plans and anyway, all this stuff with someone. So yeah, I'm rushing again, and I thought I'm not gonna let anything stop me. So it's raining, I'm late and everything, and I want to get this video done because there is something really important that I was listening today this morning, and it's a video of Earl Nightingale, a recording that is called The Strangest Secret in the World. And I thought, oh my god, this is a perfect continuation for the video I did yesterday. And it's because it's talking about goals and how important it is to have goals. Okay, so for a start with, he's talking about how in America, if you ask 100 men, so people, let's say persons, of 25 years old, why they what they want to do in life, and they want to be financially successful, they want to have financial freedom. So the same people, by the time they are 65, they will ask them again and see the results, and they will see like one of these people is rich, only 1%. 5 of them have financial freedom, and the 95%, basically the other, I don't know, 94% will be absolutely broke or still working. So this made me think, and well, he continues saying that the difference between the people that is actually get the success, financial freedom, and the ones that doesn't is because there is a small difference, and it's goal setting. The ones that actually have a goal and work towards it. And then he starts to talk about how successful is not the final result. Success is the continued realization of a worthy idea, a worthy ideal. What does this mean? This means that from the moment that you have a goal and you're working towards it, you're already successful. Guess what? You are successful because you know what you want. And this is what I was saying yesterday. That is so important, that you know what you want, you know your goal, okay? So then Earl Nightingale starts to explain about the mind, and he said one thing that is really interesting, and it's basically that the mind is like the land of the agricultor. It means that, let's put this example, a farmer have a seed of wheat, and then he have a seed of something poison, like some bad herbs or something, and he plants the same things on the earth and he take care of it, and you realize that both of them grow and both of them expand and both of them give fruits or give something. And he compared this with the mind. The mind doesn't even care about what you put on it either. And the problem of the man or the person of nowadays is that we are planting the wrong things on our minds. We are not even knowing what we want. And then he always say that the problem of the man of the nowadays is not that he don't have the power to achieve whatever he wants. Is basically that they feel like somehow adapting to the reality, like being in a way that they conform with the reality instead of planning and believing in the goals, in the ideal, in their objectives, in their dreams. So it's the same problem. This recorded was out in the 1950s, so it has over 50 years. It has 70 years to be exact, and all the literature of self-development actually talks about this, but somehow Earl Nightingale do it in a very, very powerful way, and he basically explains how in America, why, with all the possibilities that there is, and this can be translated to anywhere in the world nowadays, all the possibilities that we have, all the opportunities, why only 1% of the people realize their success? And it's because man simply doesn't think. They don't think. They don't believe what they actually think, like what is in their mind, or they have the wrong thing in their mind. They're thinking about the wrong things, because you always achieve or you become what you think about. Remember the example, the mind doesn't matter what it is. If you plant tomatoes, you get tomatoes. If you plant strawberries, you get strawberries. And if you plant poison, you get poison. And this is the strangest secret, and he repeated so many times. You become what you think about. You become what you think about. It's very, very easy, and it's simple. But this is the problem. We don't think. And that's why there is a very, very important thing that we need to do every day, which is think and believe what we want. You're gonna run with me again in this road. Okay, so we don't actually think on what we want, and the key and the secret, the strangest secret, is exactly that. You become what you think about, what you believe. So the key and the trick is act and imagine if you already achieved this goal. It means, like, if your goal is move house, or if your goal is get financial freedom, act and believe as if you already have that every single day, because your mind, what you imagine, has power, a huge power, and we become what we think about. And basically, I thought that it was such an interesting video, and I had some notes prepared that I'll probably do it this evening to explain you in more details. But he also goes through, many different authors and people that knows this secret from a long time ago. And this is being in the Bible. This is why in the Bible they say, knock on the door and it shall be open, ask and it shall be given, or believe and you will achieve. Like, even if you believe, like, you move a mountain, you will move a mountain, because the believing system is what have so much power. It's so powerful, literally. So he goes through all these people and he say, so why, if it's so old, this information, if it's so obvious, why the people don't know it and they don't apply it to their lives? And it's very, very easy. It's because they don't think. They don't believe in themselves. They don't actually know what they want. They don't know what the goal is. And this is why 95% of the population don't get what they actually want, which is financial freedom, success, peace, abundance of money, prosperity. Anyway, all of this stuff that we actually really want and we deserve, and we know we can have it. This is why so many problems related to related to violence, related to things that has nothing to do with the realization of your goal. So this made me realize that I'm already successful, because success is nothing but the realization of a worthy idea. So by the moment you have your goal, the first one, you are already successful, because you start to work towards it and you start to believe it and imagine it as if it's already true, and you start to use your power to create your goal and take action and believe it. And in the second part of this recording, Earl Nightingale put actually a challenge on us of how we are going to do to realize this goal. And it is basically fake it till you make it. And this is something that every person of the successful literature of the whole times always say. You need to act and do the stuff as if you already have it, as if it's already true for you. Okay, we are going to my job now. I'm entering in Westfields and I need to use the mask, as you know. So I'm just gonna make a stop here to get the mask and put it on. Just 1 second. Okay guys, so it's very easy, and basically we can get it done once we realize our power and once we act as if already is. And his advice is like, don't put anything in your mind that you don't want it to be. And this nowadays could include news, movies, any kind of entertainment that doesn't cooperate for your final goal. And it means like you actually have to reprogram yourself, your whole mind. Because as you know, when you have put so much garbage in a garden and it's growing so much bad herbs that is actually uncontrollable, you need to clean that up in order to plant new seeds so they can grow and actually get you the stuff that you want. Because as in the Bible they say, you will reap what you sow. So I thought this recording was so interesting that I needed to do a video about it. And as usual, I have no excuse. So there we go. We have done the video. And I'm almost about to get to my job now, so I need to leave you for now. But I wanna thank you so much for being in this channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so happy and grateful that I have a few new subscribers this month, and I will keep doing more videos. I have intention of doing live streamings daily as well, so you'll get to know me a bit more. You'll get to know all of this knowledge that I am teaching you, that I am sharing with you, that is not actually exclusive, it's actually out and about. So in the description, on the link, I will post this video of Earl Nightingale, The Strangest Secret. I want you to listen to it, and I don't want you to listen to it only once. I want you to play out every day. Even if you want to play out this video every day, or the next video that I will post that will be related with this every single day. You know why? Because the mind, every time he's listening to something, or you play something to it, or is reading something, only pay attention on a little percentage of what you give into it, because as you know, you have so much other things going on as well. So you need to repeat to yourself every single day, because auto-suggestion or repetition is the key for actually get to know something. Okay, so it's actually unuseful to do it only once. You need to do it once, another, again and again, many times, preferable in the morning and at night. And yeah, as I said, in the second part, he says how you need to do to get your goals, and it's basically writing them down, which is what I already told you yesterday. I didn't even know that I was telling you this knowledge, and now I'm telling you where it comes from. And yeah, he said, write it down every single day for 30 days and don't let any other information get into your mind for 30 days. Imagine an act as if it's already true and make it happen. And yeah guys, I arrived to my job. I'm working here now in the restaurant, so I am so thankful for you to come with me another day in my journey from home to work, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye. Bye bye.